welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're activating the cornering lights on my Volvo using Orbit. I'm sitting in the car with my laptop. The ignition is turned on. I've already plugged the OBD cable into the car and connected it to the laptop. Everything is set up and ready to go. So let's jump into Orbit and get started. And now we're inside Orbit. I'll go ahead and click on Connect. If it's your first time using the software, you'll need to create a profile first. Orbit does that automatically with just one click. And remember, you'll also need the CM pin, which is provided from the seller. You'll need that to make any changes. Next, I'll go into the configurations and search for cornering lights. The setting we're looking for is right here, ID 112, and the current value is set to without, so we're going to change that. And now I'll switch the setting from without to with cornering light. That's the only value we need to adjust for this to work. Now I'll click Write to Car. A confirmation window pops up showing the current setting and the new one we're about to apply. Everything looks correct, so I'll press OK to proceed. The flashing process begins here, and you'll hear some clicking and buzzing sounds from the car. That's completely normal. I'll speed this part up since the flashing takes a little while. And now we're done. Orbit shows ECU flash successful, which means the new configurations has been written. I'll go ahead and click on disconnect. Orbit is now disconnected, so let's switch over to the car and test the new cornering light feature. Alright then, so we've now disconnected from Orbit and the ECU flash was successful. So we'll check inside of the car first if we have the cornering light option. And if we check down here, we'll see that we have the cornering light option. So we do have the cornering light option in the car now, and we do have it enabled. So let's check how it works. And now we'll check how they perform in the dark. And if you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.